Welcome to the world of Materials ArK, where architecture meets innovation, and materials are selected with absolute attention to quality. Technowood is one of the most advanced profile systems in our collection, a complete solution for architectural applications, designed for every project and every creative vision without limitations. Let's explore the core architectural profiles offered by Technowood. We begin with cladding profiles, available with natural wood veneer in widths of 10, 15, or 20 centimeters. They can be installed with or without visible joints, delivering a seamless, refined, and visually clean finish. Tube profiles, aluminum tubes wrapped in real wood veneer, ends may be open or sealed with solid wood caps. Panels, straight or curved, custom cut for perfect fit, moisture-resistant, clean-lined, and visually refined. Alu Click profiles, an intelligent system with an integrated backplate designed for ultra-fast and perfectly precise installation. The wood veneer can be applied on 3 or all 4 sides, depending on the project's requirements. The result: complete, clean, and exceptionally reliable. Decorative screens, standard size 2 by 1 meters, ideal for dividers and shading, where form meets function. Sun shader profiles, square, rectangular, click, or elliptical shapes, available in 6-meter lengths or up to 7.5 meters on request. Indoor ceiling systems, Technowood offers 2 complete ceiling solutions for indoor applications: linear wooden ceiling system with veneered profiles and invisible fixings. Panel ceiling system, ideal for larger surfaces and integrated lighting. Both systems combine acoustic performance with refined aesthetics, ideal for commercial interiors, lobbies, meeting rooms, and high-end hospitality spaces. All profiles are available in 5 standard colors. For orders exceeding 1,000 linear meters, custom shades can be produced, fully tailored to project requirements. The support system includes an aluminum T-structure, along with all necessary accessories: L-brackets, finishing trims, open or closed corners, and specialized components for clean, precise detailing. Depending on the project's specifications and the architect's vision, the natural veneer can be selected from teak, mahogany, walnut, oak, ash, or bamboo. At Materials ArK, we don't just supply materials, we deliver complete solutions, certified, high-performing, and architecturally refined. Technowood is just one example of how we merge innovation with technical excellence, because when detail matters, Materials ArK delivers, with consistency, with expertise, and never a compromise on quality. Materials ArK, where performance meets trust.